kami sa may dagat. Ayan guys.
Hindi kaya ito mag-ano po ang mag-iba.
Di pa wala mayroon ng kalok mo.
Hindi.
Ha? Maligo ka naman.
Ayan guys. Punta kami yung dagat guys. Dito maliligo kami. Ayan guys. Oh, ang dami. Uy, bakit ba? Nakita mo man noon may nakatupis pa. Kaya alam nila. May nakatupis nga. Eh, baka gusto mo magtibak ka din. Ayan guys, oh, nandyan yung Burj Khalifa. Burj Arab.
You want to
Burj
sleep?
Arab na doon guys.
Sleep.
No.
You want to sleep?
No, he sleep now awal inside the car. But he is still sleepy. Ayan guys, ang daming mga tao.
Bakit yung babae dito?
Doon oh, may ayaan mo. Bakit walang pakialam, may nakapanting nga dyan. Magtibak kaya tayo din. Magtibak tayo din.
Para sabay kayo kagatin ng mga insekto dyan.
Ayan oh, may nagkukuha ng isda doon oh. Nagtitinda yun din mga yun no. Punta kaya tayo doon. Baka may tinda sila doon ng isda. Why you will go toilet? Yala. Guys. Abalin. May mga lumot guys. Buong sa amin, kinakain niya mga ganito guys sa amin. Pero, tingnan nyo guys, kadumi. Mayroon din napkin. May pisting yawa. May nag-ano ba? May naligo na may dugo. Ay, yung ano niya lumipad. Ayan o. Lumabas yung napkin niya. Piste. Ayan guys oh. Ayan. Dami. Ganda. Daming mga tao guys oh. Daming mga tao. Diba? Ayan guys, yung mga alaga pumunta doon. Doon pala nag-swimming yung mga alaga namin. Pastila ng mga alagang yan. Diyan pa sila sa may mga puwitan. Pumunta. Kung bakit diyan pa sila nagpunta. Tingnan kaano yung mga naglalagay sila ng isang island na naman dyan, papunta dyan guys. Dati wala yan. Ngayon, oh. Ganyan lang oh, be. Sabi ko sa'yo, okay lang na magganyan oh. Swimming pag may time guys. Nandito kami sa dagat ng Jumeirah. Jumeirah dagat ng Jumeirah guys. Swimming tayo dito. Ayun tayo na. Dito akrab.
Water is not wet. Swim.
Why you don't get your pataw-pataw? Why you don't get your pataw? Ahmed, why you don't get your goggles or your what's this?
Because my nanny forgot.
Always forget. Always forget.
You know that you're going to.
Always forget. You know, if he know it, he put now all in the bag. He always put in the bag now when he prepare now your bag. He always put. No, I tam your hada.
That's why all the fish go around him.
I tam your hada because it's too much salt. Too much salt.
Fish.
Too much salt. Ang daming naliligo guys. Ayun. Ang daming naliligo. Ayun. Parang layo-layo yan guys, pero malaki. Dati man. Talaga ang galing ng Dubai. Ayun, no? Dagat yan dati, tapos nag-ano lang, naging ano na, resort na, ayan. Ginagawa din na resort na guys. Kagaling ng Dubai. Magawa sila ng mga ganyan para makagawa sila. Isang mansion na naman dyan, isang beach resort na rin. Daming mga jet ski. Ayun, daming mga jet ski doon. Dari saan? No one is here. Come. Not the, but go closer. No one is close to you and than what's this? The shark will get you. No one will see you. Yeah. Even there is small shark here. They will get you. Yeah, there is small shark. Yeah. There is small shark here. Ha? Daan! Oy, Dodong! Dodong mata. Kaya nga hindi makaswimming pag nandyan. Daan, Dodong! Hey! Dali! Because Jen, you want to swim. Ruha. Ay, nako, Dodong. Ay, nako, Dodong. Halika na dito, Dodong. Your other one, please. You know that. You just know the other one. Ano tayo? Ayan guys, pupunta tayo doon. Tingnan natin kung mayroon silang isda. Walk lang, walk. Walking the day. Dal. Hindi ba malamig? Okay lang. Tingnan natin doon guys kung mayroon silang mga nahuli isda. Kung mayroon silang mga huli. Wala man. There are fish? You catch fish? Fish? Allah. Where's the crab? Mashallah. Meron. Mashallah, kabir. Juf, big fish. Ang laki. Huh?
I found a crab.
Huh?
How much one fish?
Why you will buy?
Captain.
The captain. Captain. Oh, may ano pa oh. You see Hada? That is squid. Squid, huh? Squid. How do squid? May squid pa, Jen!
I see a squid.
The fish.
Oh shit.
But that is a big fish, see? Ang laki ng nakuha nila, oh. Ang laki.
What the heck? Why would you put the fish on the ground? Wait, actually, can I take it?
No, must do it. Just only do like this, but Hada, don't take it. No, don't make it. Don't make it. La. Ha? Ano yan? Ano yan?
I want to take it.
Nakakuha ka?
But it's already fish.
Pumunta sa tiil mo?
Crab inside.
La.
I feel something inside.
Of course you feel because that is
I feel something inside. It's organs.
may squid pa sila. See, what says he get a fish? He found a crab. Bangus. Milkfish.
How did it happen?
Mga bangus man mga to. Bangus ay yung nahuli nila ba? May bangus, may ano pa yung ano mo yung malaki na alam mo yung puti na malaki ang tawag doon.
Look! moving. What's a crab? It's a crab. He's moving. Whoa! You found it with? Jenny found it.
Magkano kaya ang mga bangos nila? Baka mahal. Yeah, the captain. How much bangos, Captain America? Eh, Captain. How much fish?
Is that to lahat?
Oo. Yan yung sinasabi ko na malaki
Can I see?
How much bangos, Captain?
Wow.
Bangos ba Bangos
May
man
bangos
yun.
pala dito?
Siyempre, bangos yun di ba? Hada milkfish. Ayan ang masarap mahal yan sa atin mahal yan
Ibenta nila yan, mahal yan.
Siyempre, benta nila.
Ha, magkano daw?
Hindi pa nagsabi man si Captain Barbell.
Can I take one fish?
No, must we do.
Crab. How much?
No, how much like one like this? No.
How much?
No. How much one like that?
This one? No, this one. This one.
1.5, 15.
Hamster.
15 dirham daw.
One piece? One piece? 15.
One fish? Mashallah, too much full rosy.
Look, he's dancing. A dancing crab.
No, what are you doing?
15 dirham.
15 kilo?
15 dirham, isa piraso. But how the price? It's
I'm gonna walk.
nice. Ayan.
Presko kasi din.
Presko nga.
Yung sa ano tayo, ano nakasama?
Ha? 2 piece 25? Not 2 piece 20? 2 piece 25 daw. Kunin ko yung isa ba? Tigisa tayo?
Siya ano ba? Oh, yun. Yung hindi kasi kaya ang kalaki.
Baka mag-amoy sa loob ng sasakyan ba?
15, yeah.
Amo ko. Okay sa iyo sa akin. Sarap kasi presko ba?
Thanks for watching.